Marcus and Dre grew up on the same block in the same city. They went to the same high school, graduated the same year, and even started working around the same time in their mid-20s. By 30, Marcus was earning $52,000 a year, managing a distribution warehouse. Dre was pulling in $48,000 doing logistics coordination across town. Close enough. Similar lives, similar income, same neighborhood grocery store, same barber. By the time they both turned 62, something had gone quietly but completely wrong for one of them. Marcus had $430,000 sitting in his retirement accounts, not $1 million. Not enough to coast on forever, but enough to matter. Dre had $61,000 total. After 37 years of working, same city, same starting line, completely different finish. My name is Zik. And what I'm about to show you isn't about income, it isn't about luck. It's about a set of invisible financial forces that quietly sabotage the retirement savings of most working people in this country and the specific decisions that separate the Marcus story from the Dre story. Because here's the thing almost nobody says out loud. Only a small fraction of American households ever reach $500,000 in retirement savings. Not 1 million, not 2 million, 500,000, $500,000, and most people never get there. If you've ever looked at your retirement balance and felt a quiet unease you couldn't quite name, stay with me. Because by the end of this, that feeling is going to have a name and, more importantly, a solution. Rule 1. The median is a warning, not a benchmark. Let's start with a number that most people never look at because it's too uncomfortable to sit with. The median retirement savings for all American households across every age is $87,000. That means half of every household in this country, half has less than $87,000 saved for retirement. Now, $87,000 sounds like something. It sounds like a number with a comma in it, and your brain registers that as real money. But run it through the math. If you retire at 65 and you're drawing 4% annually, which is the standard guideline most financial planners use, $87,000 produces $3,480 per year, not per month, per year. That is $290 a month from your retirement account. You can't rent a parking space in most American cities for $290 a month, but that is the retirement income reality for the median American household. And yet, most people look at that number and say, well, that's other people. I'm doing better than that. Maybe. But here's where it gets genuinely unsettling. Even among households that are nearing retirement, people in their late 50s and early 60s who are physically close to leaving the workforce, the median retirement balance sits around $185,000. These are people with maybe 3 to 7 years of working life left. $185,000 generates $7,400 per year at 4%. That's $616 a month from a lifetime of work. These numbers aren't meant to shame anyone. They're meant to crack open something most people sense but never confront directly. The median is not a benchmark. It is a warning. And if you're anywhere near it, the gap between where you are and where you need to be is not going to close by accident. Rule 2. The invisible wealth drain nobody talks about. Here is the honest truth about why most people never reach $500,000 in retirement. It is not primarily about income. Plenty of people with moderate incomes build significant retirement wealth, and plenty of people earning 6 figures retire with almost nothing. The difference almost always comes down to the same quiet, persistent drain. The cost of maintaining a lifestyle that grows every time income grows. When Dre got a raise at $4,000 more per year, he upgraded his car lease. When he got another raise at 38, he moved into a larger apartment in a nicer part of town. Every income increase was absorbed almost immediately by a lifestyle expansion. None of it was reckless. None of it was irresponsible by the standards of the people around him. But every dollar he earned above his previous spending floor disappeared into monthly expenses before it ever had a chance to compound. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is the single most effective wealth-killing mechanism in existence, not because it feels dangerous, but because it feels completely normal. The car upgrade feels earned. The nicer apartment feels reasonable. The regular vacations feel like balance. None of it registers as a financial mistake at the moment, but in aggregate, across 20 years, it is the